Hi guys, today we'll talk about how can you reserve hotels.com on your app. We're going to figure out this solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just come here to go into here. You add here city, then here date, and here travelers. Then here you click on search. So when you just click here on search, then it's going to take you to this list. So then here you will find all rooms here. Can you here reserve it in this list? You click here in this list, for example. So then you come to this list here. Then here, so you select rooms, a room here. Then you come to this list. You click here on reserve. So then here it's going to take you to this list. Then here can you reserve, like you see, you reserve this room here in this stage on your app. So that's all you have to do. That's all. Thank you. And here you add your card information. Then you click here on complete booking. Then it's going to reserve with you. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.